Hi guys, it's part 3 of our slime making video, and as you just heard Mr. Silchak say, we are going to finally get our slime into slime today, because this is our last part. So I'm going to start adding some borax. Well, she's already...
I have to tell you one thing. The slime doesn't work when you freeze it, so you have to add some borax and glue. I already did that. I'm just adding a little more borax.
Okay, so I put a decent amount of borax in. You put as much as you want, and make sure you don't put too much borax in, because then it makes it really hard. But there is a solution to that. If you want it softer and like easy to play with and make it like the best slime ever, you're going to mix it and say it's way too hard because you put too much borax in it, and say it's way too sticky because you put... If it's too sticky, put some more borax water in it, and if it's too if it's too hard because you put too much borax water in, you're going to get some lotion and knead it into the slime.
Now, in the last video, Tommy's mom was yelling at him.
No, it's not in the video.
It is for me. So Tommy's mom was yelling at him for no reason.
Because I was using lotion.
Just don't pay attention to the yelling in the background. And this actually, my phone I ran out of storage. Hold on.
Is it still off?
It ran out of storage.
Okay, Miss Wasilchak's phone is not working right now. So, if there's she's not going to have a third video.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, she's going to have it, but hers is going to be different. I'm just going to mix mine now. Okay, here, I'm going to mix mine. So, I think I'm done here. And this is a really good slime. It has a good texture.